In last video, we saw usage of where clause. In this video, we will see how to use and, or, and not operators along with the where clause. We can specify more than one condition and can filter records. The and operator will display the records if all the conditions separate by and are true. The or operator displays a record in any of the conditions separate by or is true. The not operator displays a record if the condition is not true. Now, to see the working of this operators, we first need to create one more table, which will be distributors table. Copy the commands from the text file and execute them. You can download the text file from my blog. After creating the table and inserting data, we can proceed with tutorial. We will use and keyword first. Command will be select asterisk from distributors, hit enter to write the condition on next line. This command should return the records, which consists country as United States and city as San Francisco. Next we will use or keyword in our command. This command returns records with the city with Mumbai as well as records with city as San Francisco. The next keyword which we are going to use is not keyword. This command returns records where city is not United States. So, these were the basic things we can do with the operators. We can combine them with each other. So the next command will return the records if there exists a country as United States and if those records have city as San Francisco or La Vernia. In next command we will use not operator. This command will return the records which consists country other than United States and Germany. So, this is how we can combine and, or, and not operators to filter and display the data. Thanks for watching.